Yardie Belly's Kitchen once again, and today I'm gonna try another first time. Yes, first time. I can't believe it. It is my first time that I'm gonna try to cook curry goat. Yes, curry goat. Let me show you what I have. All right, so I bought 4 pounds of curry goat, and this 4 pounds of curry goat has been reduced by maybe about quarter pound. Cause I have to clean off some whole heap of stuff off it. Me never know say I so much there's a little bit of water in there, but I'm gonna drain that out. So I had to clean it up and take off a lot of silver skin, a lot of excess fat and stuff like that, because me don't want the curry go too oily, you understand? So yeah, that's what I did. All right, and yeah, I'm gonna try zoom and I try use camera at the same time. Bear with me, guys. Bear with me. Yeah, let me fix the camera, cause me get to may I try make this thing work. You understand? All right. So let's get back to it. Oh man, I shake so like me nervous. All right. So here I have some fresh herbs, and guys, please bear with me. This is not traditional. It is nothing like what Jamaicans cook at the yard. Me don't know how them cook for them one at the yard. Me never try to look it up. I did not try to look up the recipe or nothing. I just wanted to go with my own intuitiveness. All right. So I am exploring a lot of Indian style of seasoning and herbs and seasoning and the way in which them do things. So bear with me, please, guys. Okay. All right, so listen what I have now, and I hope this thing work. This is shadow benny. All right, let me show you shadow benny or culantro. All right, this is more popular in Trinidadian cooking, but yeah, I'm gonna try to use some of that. Then we have my regular thyme over here. We have garlic. Yeah, me clean up my garlic. Me have garlic. Me have an onion. Me have a next onion over here. I'm gonna use that onion, when the pot I go and do it thing, but these are the marinating part. Then I have ginger and I have turmeric. All right, and then I have a whole mess of herbs or dried herbs. So I'm gonna work on them now. So here I have my dried herbs. Right, I have. Well, I don't know if I'm gonna use all pimento seed. I might use some pimento. So I have pimento. Pimento can I use? I have pimento. All right. Then I have some Jordie's Kitchen. This is very, very nice. It is a garlic blend, and it's a lot of garlic. Some really nice stuff in it. So me not even know the fullness. Basil, dill, cayenne pepper. Nice. It not no salt or no MSG or nothing like that tonight. So that's Jordie's blend. I have some rosemary here from Simply Organic, and I might use a little bit of that. Once again, folks, this is my own version. It's not Funo version. Please don't come for me. I have some crushed red pepper. Yeah, I'm going to use some of that. Right here, I have fennel seed. I'm going to use some of that. Of course, you have garlic powder. I have to use that. This is one of the most important one that I see when I watch my Indian recipes. This is coriander seed. All right. So I'm going to use some of that. Oh, this is a regular salt. I put my salt in the back there. It's a regular salt. That. I have some better flavor curry, but what happened is my wife, she mixes curry. So we don't use one brand because we want to get the best out of it. So I have some Grace curry right there, so. And I find that this is very good. This have some fenugreek in it and some different spices. So the Grace curry is what I'm gonna use mainly. But of course, this brand here is a mixture. A little bit like we just get different curry and mix up that. So that over there. So then we have ginger powder. Yeah. We have some ground coriander here. Where might use that, might not use that. This is gonna go in. This is another brand of curry that is gonna go in my mix-up curry over there. So, and then I have some cumin. I'm gonna use some cumin. And this is what I found in the supermarket, which is like I have to use this. So whether it come out good or it come out bad, me not care. I have to use this. This is garam masala, which is straight Indian. Straight Indian. It's a mixture, a blend of seasonings, and it is part of what makes Indian curry so nice. All right. Obviously, it's Indian blend, but say I know authentic. But let's work with it. So all of them, so me I go pan my meat. So me I go start the process right about now. Mm-hmm. Okay, guys, so now what you are going now? I have a mortar here, mortar and pestle. I would have loved it to be the stone one, but unfortunately, me not have stone money, so may I use the one I have. All right, so may I add my allspice berries. And please, guys, this is an experiment, as I love to experiment in the kitchen. So please don't come for me. Don't tell me say that nothing in there and that nothing in there, because this is just me experimenting on my own. I'm gonna put in some red pepper flakes. Yeah. I'm gonna put in a couple sprigs of the rosemary. And if you don't know, rosemary is very, very good with meats. So yeah. Rosemary, it good in Italian food, but also it good with meat, you know, pork and something, and chicken and thing. I'm gonna put in the coriander seed. See there? And I'm gonna put in some fennel seed. And pretty much, bear with me, guys. I'm using one hand to do the work. Pretty much, I'm gonna grind up all of this till it turn mash. All right, so me show you the finish when me done with that. You get what me I say, guys. There we are. I promise you, me not even finish. I may tell you, say the amount of the aroma will come out of this little process here. Me don't know what they use before. You understand? Our powder seasoning I go. What powder seasoning I go? Cause me not use no more powder seasoning again. Ladies and gentlemen, may I tell you the truth. Me wishing I could have smell of vision. Just the flavors will come up out of this little thing right here. So, wow. My head mash up. My head totally 100% mash up right now. Me I go finish do that, and then me I go cut up these seasonings here. And I'm going to start my process, and I'm going to see what really I go around here, because I tell you so my head mash up. My head is what? My head is broken into pieces. Watch it, man. Look there. It smells, it overpowering. There's something hit me in my nose. Me not used to them smell. And it smells so good. You that thing say I want street side in a New Delhi, me there in a India. You know? May I tell you the truth. We have to go really and truly get away from them pre-packaged, pre-manufactured things there. You understand? And make we own a little seasoning blend that we had. You understand what I say? Sure. Alright, so I'm gonna cut up the something them now and then get to the next point of the involvement. Alright, so I'm gonna cut up the stuff them now, right? And an idea come to me. A very, very brilliant idea, if I do say so myself. Look on the board, or the cumin, or the turmeric to the board. Anyway, what if I take some oil and add it to my mortar and pestle, and then add all of these ingredients and blend it up? Don't you think that would make an authentic curry? Yes, I like a curry paste. You know, so I'm gonna try it though. I'm gonna take some cooking oil. Yes, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna put some cooking oil into this. Alright, maybe that's too much, but hey, bear with me. This is my first time. And then I'm gonna take my cut up something them with my turmeric and all of that, and put that in a this and do the same thing. Now if you have a food processor, you could have do the same thing, but it just feel very Indianish right now, you know, may I tell you the truth. So you might could have do it in a food processor and get the same results. But me don't know if you'll get the spiciness when I get in the house right now. The house just have a, well, I may forget out everything out of the plate. The house just have a little spiciness to it right now. Yeah, may I work on this. May I show you the end result, alright? May I show you the end result. So I'm joined by my lovely wife, my assistant.
Hi guys, it's Valentine's.
Oh, it's Valentine's Day. This is my Valentine's dinner.
Oh yes, this is his Valentine's gift to me, and I just can't wait.
Guys, look on what I go on this. Look
Wow.
there. I can't believe how the house smell. It smells nice, don't?
Fantabulous.
The house smells very
Very
intelligent.
aromatic.
Yes, and intelligent. Alright, so I'm gonna put this on this now and allow this to marinate. And I'm gonna give it about 2-3 hours to marinate. By right, it's supposed to marinate overnight. You know, no, so I said Jamaica marinate them food long. I will love when it flavor to the bone, you see. But guys, me can't explain to you how elated I am at this. My first ever making of my curry. We are sure. But see ya. Nobody no want to see no candle. Sure.
In the meantime, they're tired for the meat.
So I'm gonna put the whole of this on my curry now, yeah? Clean out my mortar. You see, I forgot to get one wooden mortar. One stone mortar, see?
Oh, okay.
Like what the Indian people use.
How about let's go to India?
Yeah, I forgot about India. Anyone go India, that me not come back. The amount of stuff for them use in them cooking.
Wow.
Yeah. And this is gonna be my marinade. I can't explain how the place smell good. Alright. The fresh turmeric in it, you know, just doing its thing. The whole of the flavors them just nice in the something. The something smells very intelligent right now.
So you already added oil to that?
Yeah, I added some cooking oil to the mortar, mortar.
Look, very glossy, huh?
Yeah. You see that? Mind you make me knock out the phone, you know? Because I have to work vigorously, to think generously and honestly, so that Jamaica may under God increase in beauty. Watch it, man. Watch it. No, I could not do a better job with the marinade. But now I tell you.
Hi. Self-praise. It's no
it's
recommendation.
not self-praise. It is being elated. It is my elation.
Aye, and for yourself. I could
I'm
not
not
have
full
done
of myself.
Could not have done it any better.
I'm not full of myself. I'm happy that my experiment is turning out satisfactory. Alright?
Okay.
So it's not really something full of myself. I just love when a good plan comes
So
together.
why you put that by itself?
Because it's too big for putting at the mortar.
Okay.
You know? And usually the onion I go cook out anyway, so. Now the choices, guys, I want to know if I must put it in the pressure cooker or put it in a Dutch pot. Alright? And that's my thing right now. Pressure cooker
But tell
or
me
Dutch
want the
pot.
food, the pot, or up and rush, me that's the pressure cooker. But that's the only reason why.
The onion a fly. So you want me start it in the Dutch pot, move it to the pressure cooker and put it back in the Dutch pot? Can me like the Dutch pot idea?
Yeah, because when you put it in the Dutch pot first, it allows it to maintain its integrity.
What kind of big word in there? Maintain its integrity.
And not get, mushy.
To think generously and honestly. So that Jamaica may under God.
So, when the curry gonna go on?
Which curry? You know, sister, curry, me curry it. You think about powder curry? What me I gonna do is, me I burn some curry in the oil.
Oh, okay.
You get me I say? Some of our regular curry in the oil. And then, you know, that go be the curry. Guys, bear with me. This is non-traditional. It's not like foreign curry. It is a regular curry. Alright, so me go leave this to marinate and then
Yes, sir.
we work on the rest of this involvement. You understand? So bear with me. Alright, so remember something we're missing, right? And again, it's not usual in our cooking, but it's in the Indian cooking. Paprika. Them use a whole heap of paprika. But me not use so much because I'm not used to it. So I put some paprika right there, so. And that's the only powder seasoning me use, you know? Yes,
No garlic powder?
no garlic powder. I me use some cayenne now for the kick.
So did you put the scotch bonnet pepper?
Me use red pepper flakes. So what I'm gonna do is while it's cooking now.
When it reached to the end part.
Yeah. I use my scotch bonnet, but yeah. Me tell you, say, I love all the thing. Look, the thing look good. Me.
Why
See,
about
see, really, the camera can zoom. It's a foreign camera. It's a phone, but it can zoom. So I'm gonna say why you have to put the phone down into the pot.
Why you have to tell people them say it's a phone? Suppose them think that it was a big camera.
No, because I tell them, say, I need help already, so I don't need to tell them no more than that. Guys, if you can't help out, every mickle make a muckle. Yeah, get in the description box and see if you can donate to my GoFundMe page. I need to buy a little camera, man, and a little setup.
You need the help.
I need the help, Moss Joe. I need the rest, Moss Joe. Hey, so my curry goat look very curious.
Nah, lie. Look good.
It looks good, man.
And we are debate about what to eat it with. Because me say roti skin.
She say roti, the Indian name roti with dal. And me say rice, because I love my curry goat and rice.
What would be your preferred choice of accompaniment for this curry goat, people? Would it be rice?
Say rice.
Would it be roti?
Say rice.
Would it be some green banana and dumpling?
Jeez, no,
Or
everything get cancelled
Would it
again.
be a salad?
What salad what? No rotted salad.
Would it be 2 slices of white bread? Let me know. Comment in the comment box and let us know what would you be your ideal accompaniment for curry.
Me say the rice. That's what me say. I know my peoples, they shall agree with me.
That's like so traditional. Oh my god.
But you can buy the roti. I can't cook the Indian roti them as how Indian people cook it. So I buy it.
The process is, I don't know if the process is worth it. They go through a lot.
Them go through a lot to make that roti.
Oh,
but it tastes good. I not tell the Trini people them
Very
not
nice,
talk. It tastes
nice.
very good. You know? And we can big up the Trini place where we buy roti from too. If we buy the roti. Yes, so alright, so now this I got marinade for about as long as it can marinade.
10
and
minutes.
Then 10 which minutes? I'm on to the craving girl. I marinate longer and then we start. By right, you know, say the Indian people them just cook it straight though.
Oh, really?
They don't throw that in the pot long time and start cook.
What's going on? Oh, sorry.
So yeah. Alright, so marinating time. Okay guys, so I'm just putting some curry in the pot here for burn a little bit. And immediately I'm going to put a little oil. Put a little bit of oil in there. And I'm going to put in the something right away. And this is my marinated goat. And this was marinated for approximately an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. I will never do really check. Wow, the smell of coconut now. Wow, immediately we get a strong, vibrant smell. Very strong smell. Alright, so now I'm going to go and stir fry this a little bit and just make it start and meat come together, you know. I feel like I want to cook it on the stove, you know. Wow.
Cook it.
Wow, it's strong.
You know, so them so when you pressure things, it kind of take away the flavor.
Yes, them say so, yes.
So.
Now I go and work with it a little bit. If I see like it over tough, then I press it. But if not, I go and do like how my granny used to do.
Hopefully it's a young goat.
Yeah, well, not foreign.
Like an old goat.
Oh, then some enough knock the pot cover. The pot on the side. So guys, I just go and do the same thing, you know, make it just go and play around with it and move it around and make it start to firm up, you know, or what we call brown. And then from this now, you know, me make you know as we progress what go and what the next move, alright? Alright guys, so this is I'll not put no water in the pot. This is just the cook down process are going, and it's not even 10 minutes yet. You understand? And as you can see, I put the little curry I did put at the beginning. I eat, you know. I don't know, I can't explain. The house smells so good. You know, this curry is looking very, very good to me. Look like I'm onto a winning streak, you know. And I just want to tell you, I say, I go on. I'm not sure if I'm gonna transfer it to the pressure cooker. I'm just gonna continue cooking it like this for a while, and then test for tenderness, you know. But I'll know I'm gonna put no water in there. No extra water is in the pot. This is all coming from these juices that you see here is all coming from the marinade and the meat itself cooking in its own juices, you know. So now lock this, cover the pot a little bit more and make it go on do it thing. Yes, man. Make it go on steam itself a little bit more, you know. Alright, so guys, I just put my first addition is a cup of water, and it a go on good, may I tell you the truth. I mean, it still have ways to go, cause curry, mutton is a hard meat to cook, you know, but hey, it still have ways to go, and we just a go and make it thing happen. You understand what I say? Yeah, man, same way, so just like that. But the wife here so might have to just put it in the pressure cooker. So if you see anything go on, don't complain, don't rush me, don't rush me. You understand? Because otherwise we're gonna there cook 2-3 hours. Sometimes you have to just hurry up and make a thing go on. Alright, so yeah, couple more minutes, make it go on like this, and then if me not see no movements, pressure cooker. Yes man, yes man. Oh, pata come down, it's almost ready for lock off now. And I'm gonna add some potatoes and some carrots. And as soon as this cook, as soon as the potato and the carrot cook, it's ready for lock off. I add a little bit more water. Just to, you know, normally some people not put carrot in them curry. You know, but yeah, we like it so. And we like potatoes, nice organic potatoes from Whole Foods. Yeah, I would just want to cook now. Everything nice, everything looking very, very nice, guys. And wifey can't wait to eat. We eventually decided to use rice, and maybe tomorrow we'll buy some roti from the Trinidad store up the road.
If not meat, leave back.
If not meat, leave back. I promise you guys, it tastes so good. You know what the teapot piece outside. It tastes so good. Want a little more water though? Tastes so good. And the curry is a deep, rich curry. Deep, it almost want to look like it brown, but it's nice curry color. You know, when you know your curry cook. I remember I said this a curry and a seasoned curry out of pack. It's a real curry we mix up with the real herbs them in it and thing. And yeah, it happen. The next time you see this, it gonna be on the plate, guys. So go and do your thing. Blessings.
Yes, y'all. This is the done deal. The finished product. My Valentine dinner. Looking scrumptious and delicious. Looking very lovely. I can't wait to dig in, honestly. It is divine looking. And I've been tasting along the way. Don't tell nobody, so I'm telling no. But yeah, I've been tasting along the way and it is super duper Lovely.
And you see the lemonade where you make a while ago, blueberry lemonade.
Yeah, blueberry ginger echinacea lemonade over here. So if you want a video about that, you can leave a comment in the comment box and he will do it for you because he gives the people what they want. All right. So yeah, this is it. Our curried goat with potatoes and carrots. Of course, white rice. Yeah, them fat notes, but they want roti, but hey, this will work just as well. And a little salad to the side.
We don't want roti, we want rice because we're Indian.
All right, so yeah, thank you guys for sticking and staying with us once more. And as usual, do what you gotta do. You know, like, rate, subscribe, share, comment, and all them razzle dazzle stuff. Is it me?
Hey, remember, Yardie belly in our fine. Remember, check the description box, all right? And just big up on yourself. Happy Valentine to you and yours, your significant others, and all them something there. Peace
And love.